here to give you updates on our Prime Minister and what is going on. And truth be told, our Prime Minister is doing wonderfully well. I keep telling you people that. Now, Nigerian terrorist government brought a weighty allegation over our Prime Minister, which the weighty allegation was that he was a terrorist, terrorizing the whole of the Southeast and the government of Nigeria. And when this was being put to check, trying to investigate all what Nigerian government has brought to Finnish authority, and what he said was that our Prime Minister is no longer a terrorist, that he is inciting us via his social media platforms. And they said, okay, what evidence do you have? So now the terrorist Nigerian government, headed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the drug lord, now said that the cyber incitement that they are bringing the evidence will be available in 6 months. And this is what our Prime Minister is going through today. Now, it is for our own good. Don't worry, it is for our own good. Now, because other countries were involved, what happened is that they now give us time they now give Nigerian government time to produce evidence. Without those evidence, they are going to, completely lift every restriction on our Prime Minister. And Biafrans, all this thing is happening for our own good. Now, the reason why they said 6 months is this. They never saw Madam Ngozi Orabueze in the picture. They thought when this happens that the followers of Mazi Simon Ekpa and the Biafrans will run away. And this is what they did. Intimidation. But today, they did not see our Deputy Prime Minister coming. And the woman has now climbed the leadership mantle and held it with all humility. Now, I want to tell Nigerian government this, that what you have done is to catapult us to the next level. You will keep making mistakes that will always take us to our new level. Up till today, the Nigerian government has not been able to prove any case against our Prime Minister. Up till this moment that I'm speaking, the Nigerian terrorist government has not been able to come to Finland to prove their case, to defend any documents. And today, we have been able to put Musa away completely. Today, Musa is no more talking about Mazi Simon Ekpa. Today, Musa is no more in the public domain. Today, we have made sure that Musa can never rise again in Nigeria as a military general. We have done that because today Musa has completely gone. He has run away because he knows what is going to come after. If he steps his foot in Biafran land, he knows what is going to come. So we are not scared of telling him. Biafra is now a sovereign nation, and our 60 days still stand. Now we are running down to 30 days. And Nigerian government in our soil will see what they have never seen in their life. It is not a threat because our nation is a sovereign nation. And I want to use this opportunity to tell every Biafrans, be resolute, be laser focused on the mandate. The mandate, the date is 29th of November 2024. That is our mandate, and nobody can take that away from us. Now, I suddenly stop hearing online country. It seems you people have started realizing that Biafra is here for real. And let me tell you, all the killings that you did, all the unaliving that you did from December to this March that we are in, we never go unpunished. Retaliation is a must by the Biafran government. And I'm telling you people this, I'm not threatening anybody and I'm not joking, because we cannot lose such people and go and fold our hands. You will see what is bigger than you. And I want to warn Soludo that you can never conduct election in Anambra State. It's not a joke. You can never conduct any election whatsoever in Anambra State. All these things that you are doing, we are watching you. No governor in the whole of the Southeast will conduct election. Believe you me. For those people who are threatening the government, you should cease fire. Cease fire, because the fire that is coming, you cannot comprehend it. And I want Biafrans to understand that nobody should bully them at this moment. Anybody that bullies you, rise up to the occasion to defend yourself. Nobody should bully you. And I want to tell the government of Nigeria that all these things you people are doing, all this nonsense you are doing, it is coming to an end. You can never kill any Biafran and go scot-free again. I'm giving you that this thing. Now,
the lies.
I went to France the other day. The people I saw from the airport to my hotel room were all youths. And I keep wondering, when people like me come to talk here, they come to attack me. Oh, you don't have sense, you don't have a job, you are chasing cloud. And I begin to wonder, if Nigerian youths are able to travel outside the country, honestly, you people will be the one, trying to bring revolution in Nigeria. Like Showore is fighting for the poor people today. Like Showore is fighting for the less privileged today. You don't know what these people are ripping you off, and that's why you are always quick to attack us. So I am asking the Nigerian terrorist government to desist from doing anything that they're doing in the whole of the Southeast. We gave you 30 days and we're counting down. 60 days and we're counting down. Today we are counting down on 30 days, and it's going to definitely happen. Desist from anything Biafra. Take it away from our soil. Anything Nigeria, take it away from our soil. Biafra is being redeclared. Biafra is now a nation. And I don't see all of these people who come and say online country, online country. I think for right now, you've started realizing that online country is coming to be real. So, the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I keep telling Nigerian government, is what will dissolve Nigeria completely. Go and mark my word. Is the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will dissolve Nigeria completely. Nigeria can never exist in Biafran land again. Believe you me. I am not here to threaten anybody, because our state, our nation is a sovereign nation. It is being redeclared, and such should hold. The illegitimate president of Nigeria, the drug lord, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for what you have been doing in the Southeast by killing our people. We will rise to the occasion very soon. And I'm telling you, this is no joke. All the people you have killed, retaliation for them is a must, and we will carry it out. Believe you me. Thank you, Biafrans, for this short clip. I must stop and attend to other things. May God bless you all. Follow Madam Ngozi. She is the one taking us to the new dimension, and she is the one holding on to the mandate of Simon Ekpa, of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Every other people, every other persons are fraud. I will come and expose Sonny Aparawa very soon, maybe in my next video.
This is happening live in issues of local government. I humble for parts. We are going hungry. They are sleeping with our women. After sleeping with them, they will use a stick under their vigil, which is very bad. Government of Enugu State.
My wonderful people, the enemies of Biafra are not backing down. The enemies of Biafra, they are not backing down, they are not sleeping. Yes, they are always active. You know why? Because they want them. In fact, they are doing every possible means to make sure say Biafra did not liberate, but they came too late. In this time around, they are not using our own people. They are not using the politicians. After using the politicians, they will dump them. Then the politicians are the one now using our own youths. After using the youth, they will still dump them. What is happening will still happening in this country. But this time around, they came very too late. My wonderful people, watch this video. This video that I'm about to watch like this, watch this video and share this video. Spread this message. Let this video go viral. As you're watching, don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button. Like and spread this message all over the world. An injustice for one is an injustice for all. Yes, because you may think that it's not yet your time. But if you not condemn that evil, when did you know that it's going to be your own turn? When it is your turn, when Mr. Nobody is shouting, then you that is Mr. Somebody, when it happened to you, Mr. Somebody will keep quiet over it.
Government of Enugu State. Our farm settlements of pride. They put everyone buying a simple. witness. How do you know that? Yes, you bought them 2 million naira. 1 million if you can't and then you know when one you get kita na one yahu nothing and that's your shinike nothing that kita na eji pate ya kedi e fulani were na umu nwanyị they are crying. Government of Enugu State,
if you fail not to come up and tell Biafrans where you have been channeling the fundraising, let me tell you, your cup is full. Wonderful and the great Biafrans all over the world, I thank you so much. I want to appreciate all of you for your efforts, but before I go on, I want to say good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on your location from Biafran land here. I want to honor my father, which is the Triple General, General Butozo. I honored you. You are well done, sir. B44, over, your word states. I honored you. Owam, Olu States, Commander, the General, I honored you. Ochiwo, Ochiaga, the Ostas himself, I honored you. Liquid, I honored you. Obidika, 1, in Biafra land, I honored you. Bitakola, Omugu, Command, I honored you. Action, Blessing Prince, Nokia, all the whole commander in Biafra, in 40 state of Biafrans, I honored all of you. And I want to appreciate all the whole of us of Biafrans all over the world, and Biafrans all over the world, home and away. I want to appreciate all of you, all the people that have been working assiduously to see that Biafra is to be restored. I want to use this wonderful opportunity to welcome each and every one of you in this program today, being 4th of March 2025. I want to appreciate you. And also to retaliate and to make Biafrans to understand what the men on ground is passing through. And I uttered a word. I told Ngozi Orabaeze something that she must understand. And I was thinking that Ngozi Orabaeze is somebody that has something up her. I don't even know that Ngozi Orabaeze is so much rascal. I don't even know that Ngozi Orabaeze, she's someone that can't even listen to anyone. Now she have come up and made it clearly for the people and the world to understand that we are irrelevant. I, Gentle Onyeziokwu, the commander in Biafra land, one of the commander in Biafra land, under the leadership of Igwe Butozo, the triple general, Gentle of all people, is irrelevant. Gentle of all people is individual with my man. He is not even referring to me. He is referring this to the chief of armed forces in Biafra nation. That is why I am coming up today to let my people, being the Biafrans, to understand this. And I have only but one question for Ngozi Orabaeze. Ngozi Orabaeze, number one, you must come up and analyze where the fundraising, or the whole fundraising that Biafrans are doing, where you are channeling all those money. Ngozi Orabaeze, number one, let me make it clearly to you. I am the General Gentle, aka Onyeziokwu in Biafra land. If you don't know it now. And I am under the commander in control of the chief of armed forces in Biafra nation, being triple general, General Butozo. That is whom I am. Ngozi Orabaeze, I want you to understand this. And I want to open the eyes of all the whole Biafrans for them to understand that Ngozi Orabaeze is referring herself as the deputy prime minister. Who does that? Who does that? The prime minister himself have never made it known to everyone that he has deputy, and his deputy is Ngozi Orabaeze. Let the Biafrans understand this. Let me come and speak out. That is why I am here today, and I must speak out today. Ngozi Orabaeze is not the deputy prime minister, and she can never be. Lie, she can never be. The reason of saying this is this. Since Simon Ekpa has a problem, since Simon Ekpa is in the custody of the Finland government, Ngozi Orabaeze, what have you done to the men on ground? It's a question that I have to ask you. Ngozi Orabaeze and the defense minister of Biafran nation, being the USB, what have you people done to the men on ground? Please let Biafrans understand this. Since Simon Ekpa is in the custody of the Finland government, I must make it openly. We are the men on ground. We have never received pardon, kobo, 5 naira from Ngozi Orabaeze. Then my question goes like this. Ngozi Orabaeze, all those fundraising, where are you channeling all those fundraising with the defense minister? Where are you people? Where have you people been investing all those money? This is the question for you people. And I want to use this wonderful and a little opportunity to warn all of you that has been making nonsense and what will I call it? Comments over my broadcast. I have a reason for that, and I am standing any corner, anywhere to defend it. Let me tell you people, now I know the reason why Ngozi Orabaeze, you sold Simon Ekpa. You are the one that sold Simon Ekpa. You have been madding all over the social media, castigating Ogenkere, while Ogenkere have never done anything wrong. I don't work with Ogenkere, but since 3 months and now we have been investigating in what that has been going on there in Ezra. There we find out that you people have been suffering us, and you are deceiving the people of Biafra, telling them that the men on ground is okay. Telling them that men on ground is okay. You are equipping them, you are feeding them, you are doing all the things that they need. What is a lie? Ngozi Orabeze, why? Ngozi Orabeze, why all this nonsense? And I know, in the first place, you don't even know the person that you are speaking to. You don't even know the person that you are talking about. And you are calling yourself the Deputy Prime Minister. Can't Biafrans listen to this woman? There's somebody that is identifying herself as the Deputy Prime Minister. Don't even know who is Gentle the Yahoo. Talk less of knowing my Oga, being the Triple General. What nonsense? What deceiving? What nonsense and what deceiving? That Ngozi Orabeze have been moving around deceiving our people. And we kept quiet. It is only Ogenkere that has been forwarding a letter since Simon Ekpa have gotten himself into this problem. Since Simon Ekpa have been in this problem, and the problem of Simon Ekpa is a problem to all of us. All of the Biafrans at large, apart from DOS. Ngozi Orabeze, if you fail not to come up and tell Biafrans where you have been channeling the fundraising, Ngozi Orabeze, let me tell you, your cup is full. Gentle the Yahoo is telling you this. No matter how much people, no matter how crowd, no matter how you have been deceiving Biafrans, Ngozi Orabeze, your cup is full. The men on ground is waiting for you. Now I will tell you that all the 40 state of Biafrans commanders is in the hands of the Triple General, Butozo. We all are together. Ngozi Orabeze, you have never been helping this matter. Ngozi Orabeze, you are just moving around deceiving Biafrans. And I want Biafrans today to open their eyes. I want Biafrans. I was even expecting you for you to call Kagos meeting. At least ask who is this caterpillar and this Ikenga Uruago. Ngozi Orabeze, what you could do is for you to come up on the net and start saying all sorts of things, saying all nonsense. That you are declaring the people that we are terrorists.